Cats don't eat chocolate, do they? There are two main types of question tag. Negative statement. Plus. Positive tag. Cats don't eat chocolate, do they? Sam doesn't work here anymore, does he? Positive statement. Plus. Negative tag. Cats only eat meat, don't they? Sam still works here, doesn't he? Question tags always use short forms. For example, isn't he? Don't you? To be. Sorry, I'm really late, aren't I? Trevor's going to be late, isn't he? There is. There isn't a bus after 11. Hi, is there? Now different tenses. Present simple. You prefer tea to coffee, don't you? Past simple. He didn't phone, did he? Present continuous. They're building a new sports center, aren't they? Past continuous. It wasn't raining last night, was it? Present perfect. There hasn't been another accident, has there? Will. I will be on time if I'll leave now, won't I? Can. We can finish this work tomorrow, can't we? We always match the tag with the statement, he's English, isn't he? We can't make a question tag with am, so we use air. Sorry, I am late. Am not I. It's wrong. We say, sorry, I'm really late, aren't I? We add a question tag to change statement into a question. We can use question tags to ask for information. We say these tags with a rising intonation. I don't know the answer. I haven't taken a bus from here. We can say, I can get a bus from here, can I? Now, another example. You aren't coming to the wedding in those jeans, are you? Means, I don't know, but I hope not. To ask for agreement, when we think we know the answer, we say these tags with a falling intonation. It's really hot today, isn't it? Means, think it's hot and I want you to agree. You haven't seen that film yet, have you? One, think you haven't. We answer question tags with yes, no, a short answer and other information if necessary. I can get a bus from here, can I? Yes, you can. The next one is in 10 minutes. The bus leaves at 6 o'clock, doesn't it? Yes, that's right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more lessons.